Hey guys, and welcome back to my, okay, now, see, sis, just sit up. Okay.
Gucci my collar, Gucci my bit. Spend a little money, that shit ain't no problem. Not good, I'm Gucci. Gave that bitch back to the hood, she grouping. My diamonds is clean, but my cup is polluted. I fucked her the same, now she act like she knew me. Bumpin' your lip, the stick start shooting like pop, 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 pop. I remember you used to be good on me. Now that I'm Gucci, I'm fucking these thoughts. Connect with the plug like Wi-Fi. You know we on top, it is no lie. I'm fucking your bitch, nigga, why lie? Make the brick disappear, why lie? Yes, I'm amigo, you know I'm amigo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Pammie B. You know me, popping on the charts. So for real, hey y'all, I'm so glad to be back. I have not been on here in a brick. So today I'm bringing you a new video. You know, I'm popping back on the scene real cute, you know. Hello, hey. But like now I'm just really deciding to get back into YouTube, get back into doing what I wanted to do. Like when I tell y'all I haven't been on here and I look on my freaking notifications and stuff and I see people still subscribing to my channel and I ain't even post nothing. Like I was like, son, like they really bang with your girl. And I'm coming back with a fury. I'm coming back to bring you greatness, beauty, brain, sis, a budget. Hello. We trying to build, and we trying to look cute. So, sis. So today I'm bringing you a bomb ass video about this hair that I am rocking. It is affordable. I am a young woman that's trying to get her coins and save her coins, honey. And we don't need to be dropping a whole bag that we trying to secure on something we trying to secure on our edges. We gotta meet them half and half. Like, no. So what I'm here to do is show you all really good vendors for hair that you can use that really will not break your bank, where you can still secure that bag and secure them edges, honey. Yes, how are you doing? I'm great, thank you. But seriously, I want to show you all different vendors that I already am utilizing it, hello. But I want to show different vendors that you all can utilize to get some fleeky hair, and it's not going to sit up here and break your arm and your leg. So no, that's not what we're here to do. And yeah, so yeah, if you're interested in finding out more about this hair, how you can get it, how the fact that it is a 360, it's a 360 frontal. Y'all, this is a 360 frontal, so if you're interested, stay tuned with the specs of this hair. So this hair is silky straight, 360 lace front wig, pre-plucked, 150 density lace front human hair wig with baby hair, and it is by the brand Honey Queen Remy Hair. And I got it in the length 20 inches, and at 20 inches I paid, let's see, $219 for this unit. Now, when I tell you all, like, you probably like, girl, I thought you said that it was gonna be affordable. I thought you said it was cheap. Girl, it is cheap. Go look up some real other stuff. Some real vendors that is gonna be out here trying to break your bag. This is cheap and it comes pre-plucked. When I let you know, like, I'm used to being real surgical with it, playing motherfucking operation with the wig. But with this one, I literally only had to apply it and God's grace just covered the rest. Because literally I didn't have to do anything, sis, like, for real. This hair, the state I have it in right now also is the way that it's going to look when you wash it. So I really like that because you can wear it like wavy or you can wear it bone straight. So it really doesn't matter if you're like rushing out the door, you need to hurry up, move, boop, boop, boop. Then you could go ahead and just flop this on your head and bust a move, sis, you out. Y'all, I have really been loving this hair. The cons about this hair: shedding. You will experience shedding. I feel like when I brush his hair, it just sheds. Like, I wouldn't say it's a lot of shedding, but it's consistent shedding whenever it gets brushed or anything like that. It doesn't really like fall out while I'm just walking on the day. But like if I brush my hair, I'll get shedding with that. Another thing that was difficult for me, but it was kind of a con and a pro. Initially, this wig, when I tell you, it felt like a swim cap. I don't know if y'all remember back in the day where it felt like when your mother was trying to put the swim cap on your head to protect the hairstyle she just took 20 hours to do. It felt like she would put it right here, hold it down, put her knee in your back and release it. And all your thoughts, emotions, and pressures were just up in here. That's what this felt like at first. I said, hold on, sis, what size is this? But after I washed it the first time and I wore it for like 2 days. Then I washed it and miraculously it was okay. And it fits my head perfectly now. I'm not really clear what was going on with that. Maybe it was something with the flight over here. But yeah, those are the only 2 things I can see as a con. The pros, the shipping was so freaking fast. Like when I tell you I ordered it and I really got it within 3 to 5 days. Like literally 3 to 5 days. 5 days will be pushing it. Also, like I said, the versatility of this. I can part my hair so many ways, which you're about to see because I'm about to flat iron it. I just really liked it. It's easy, low maintenance. I feel like this is a wig that if you're not really good at doing lace front wigs or you're just starting out, this is a really good starter wig because it really just, you really don't have to do anything to it. One thing I would say is your hair should be washed once a week because with straight hair, and now I can really see what my lighter cousins are talking about, but like with straighter hair, it collects oil and you be looking like, what's it, like what? So yeah, this is how the hair is in the middle part. And yeah, like I am loving this unit. Of course this hair could get straighter, but I literally was just showing it for reference. This is how the back looks. And I really like this hair. I recommend it. This is definitely for a girl who is trying to be bougie on a budget, okay sis, because you can still rock the same you know, killer weave, rock a lace. You can still rock a lace, but you don't have to be rocking that bang. Yeah, so I hope you all like this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below so that we can build this family up and I can continue to make content. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I will catch you all in my next one. Again, a Pammie B, you know me, popping on the charts.